Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl once again, Lizzie. If this is your first time of watching me, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section below, guys. I love you all so much. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to achieve this, and I'll be using two fabrics for this today. So the first fabric, as you can see, is a red one. I'm just going to place that a little bit behind the front of her head. Like, I'm going to take that a little bit to the middle of her head. Moving on, I'm going to place the second fabric on her head, which is the yellow fabric, and I'm going to give it a V shape at the front. So I'm just going to make sure that one hand of the yellow fabric goes behind her ear, while the second hand of the yellow fabric stays on top her ear. So doing that now is going to, if I do that, once it's done, it's going to give me a V shape at the front. I do hope that you guys understand. So it's going to give me a V shape at the front, and that's what I am doing right now. So guys, we are done achieving our V shape at the front of her head. So I'm just going to twist the remaining parts of the fabric to the back of her head, and then I'm just going to pin everything there. Moving on, I'm going to take the other hand of the yellow fabric, and then I'm just going to twist it. I'm going to twist this around her head 2 times. So the second time is coming on top her head is going to be placed on top the first twisted part. I do hope that you guys understand. But what I mean is, after twisting it the first time, around her head, I'm going to bring it again to the front of her head, and I'm going to place it on top the first twisted part. You're going to see me doing that right now. So just in case you're curious, the yellow fabric is really long. I think it's about 2 yards. I don't even think it's 2 yards exactly, while the red fabric is 1 yard. So at this point, I'm going to pin the second twisted part to the first one so that everything does not unravel, and so that everything just stays in place. That's what I am doing right now. So at this point, I'm going to start creating my ruffles, and I'm going to be creating my ruffles on top the twisted part of the yellow fabric. That's what I'm doing right now. I'll be linking some of my previous videos here on this particular video, just in case you do not know how to create ruffles, so that you can get to learn and then watch. But what I'm doing basically is I'm lifting the red fabric a little bit and then pinning it on top the twisted yellow fabric. So I'm going to be doing this until I reach the middle of her head. So I'm done creating my ruffles. Instead of making them to stand individually, I'm going to make them stay as a group. So I'm going to be pinning them together I'm going to be pinning the edges of the ruffles together so they stay as a group and not individually. So when you're done creating your ruffles, take the remaining parts of the red fabric or any color of the fabric you're using right now, take it to the back of her head and pin it. It's as simple as ABC. So I'm going to pick the yellow fabric, the remaining part of the yellow fabric at this point, and then I'm just going to make few pleats and then place it on top the twisted part of the yellow fabric, the way you can see me do in the video. So guys, this is the point where the yellow fabric and the red fabric has to meet. I'm just going to pin them right there in front of her head. Once you've done that, then you're good to go. So my yellow fabric is still remaining. This is to tell you how lengthy this fabric is. So I'm going to make pleats the way I did before, and then I'm just going to place it on top the pleated fabric that I had done before. Here you really do not have to take your time in making your pleats. Just do it the way it comes and the way you can see me do in this video. Once I've brought it to the middle of her head, I'm going to pin it again to the red ruffles that I created. So at this point, I'm just twisting the remaining part of the fabric to the back of her head and pinning it there. So guys, you see, this is really not difficult at all. I'm also going to twist the remaining part of the red fabric to the back of her head and then just pin everything there. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. I really love you when you guys share. I really love you when you guys subscribe and like and also comment. I love you guys so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. Bye bye.